syempre, thank you for having me again. Jimmy has always been my first family since I joined Starstruck way back 2007. Tapos nagsunod-sunod na yung shows ko. Ang dami kong ginawang serye sa Jimmy. Actually, ko na mabilang, but every year talaga may ginagawa akong, so I'm very thankful ako na doon ako nagkaroon ng pangalan. Doon ako nakilala as Chris Bernal, and maraming salamat again for trusting me, for the confidence, for the support, and I will just remain supportive, and syempre, I'm pledging my loyalty, my energy, and my full heart to GMA Network. Maraming salamat din sa pagtanggap. Kahit nanay na.
Okay.
Paano pa pala ako magka-career?
Welcome.
Thank you. At least, kahit mommy na ako, pwede pa pala akong maging, artista. Pwede pa pala tuloy yung craft ko yung love ko for acting.
Yes.
And thank you, Sparkle. Kasi, di ba, nawala ako for so long. Ilang years matagal din. Before pandemic pa ako. Nakat yung contact. Pero ngayon, happy ako na makabalik sa inyo. So, thank you.
Thank you so much, Chris. This is the comeback that just perfectly makes sense. So from 2007 up to now, you're just evolving, and we're just so happy you're happy with us, Chris.
Thank you.